Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top stocks for passive income. Now, the reason why I love passive income so much, especially for the stock market, is because it requires a little maintenance in the beginning and then you can literally get paid for life. So we're going to be looking at some of the top companies to invest in for passive income so you guys can pretty much count on cash flow coming in with your investments. Now, most of these stocks definitely have an upward trend, so you're still going to be getting the asset of the stock growing on top of cash payments. Now, me personally, I think it would be smart to make sure you guys have a broker that does offer DRIP, which is pretty much dividend reinvesting. So all of your dividends you're going to get, you're going to pretty much reinvest them back into the company, and then you're going to start this thing called compound interest. So maybe, you only get $1 a month, then maybe the next month it's $1.20, then $1.50, then $2, and then so on and so on, and then you will grow at a pretty much rapid rate, which is incredible. On top of that, on average, you will make around 3 to 4% more just from the stock growing. So it's a beautiful way to invest with very little downside risk, but huge upside. So the first company that I love is pretty much one of the top dividend stocks out there. I think every dividend investor probably owns a little bit of it. It is ticker symbol O. This is Realty Income Corp. So this is what you call a REIT. So this company goes out, buys real estate properties. As the tenants pay their rent or their lease, you get a little bit of that money. And the beauty of it, why a lot of people invest in this, is because instead of getting a quarterly dividend, which is how most companies pay their dividends, you get a monthly dividend. So you can pretty much count on cash flow coming in every single month, and it makes it very easy to pretty much count on money coming in and compound your account a lot faster here. So the second one that I want to talk about is probably one of the most popular dividend stocks out there, is ticker symbol KO. Now this is one that I think every investor should have. We all use Coke products, not to mention this is a dividend king. So this company has been paying a dividend for more than 50 years, and they've been increasing their dividend payout. So looking at the dividends here, it used to pay a 39-cent dividend, then a 40-cent dividend, then a 41-cent, and now it pays about a 42-cent dividend every single quarter. You can compound it. It's under $100, trading for around 53 bucks. Highs here at 60. Right now it's at 53. It really doesn't move a whole lot. I think this is a perfect, investment for every type of investor. That's my opinion here. So now the third company is going to be another company that's been growing their dividend at a very fast rate. This is Home Depot. So the beauty of it is it's growing their dividend at around 125%. So right, in 2018, 2017, it used to pay $1.03 every quarter. Then it went to $1.36, then $1.50, and now it's $1.65 every single quarter. This is a beautiful stock to have. Really, right now it's hitting highs here at $320. It beat earnings. I think this is a no-brainer investment, and I've been buying this stock for a while now, and I think there's still a huge upside with Home Depot here. Now, another company that I want to talk about is ticker symbol COST. This is another retail store. This is Costco. Costco pays around a 70-cent dividend. It's been growing their dividend for years now. On top of that, why a lot of people love Costco is because they paid what you call a special dividend. They do this about every 5 to 7 years. So for every share you had, you got paid $10 per share. That is crazy. So pretty much they do this quite often. You can count on it coming in every couple of years, but in the meantime, you'll get a quarterly dividend, which is how most companies pay it. Not to mention Costco has been absolutely killing it with their earnings and everything like that. Right now with the stock selling off down to about $364. Highs here at $388. This is a no-brainer investment for me. Use Costco's volatility to your advantage here. So if it ever falls back down to really under $340, buy a little bit of it. I would highly recommend it here. Now, the last and final stock that I want to talk about is another retail store, another brick and mortar store. It's ticker symbol TGT here. Now, this is Target. Now, the reason why I like Target a lot is because they've really shifted towards online, and that has been a huge competitor with Amazon. So you guys can see back in the day, it used to pay a dividend right in here. It looks like about a 40 cent, then a 64 cent, 66 cent, and then now it's a 68 cent dividend. Beautiful growth. Lows here at 60, highs here at 207. This stock recently has outperformed all of the major indexes, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. So for me, it's another no-brainer dividend stock to count on passive income. But if you guys don't want to pick and choose different dividend stocks, I would recommend ticker symbol VIG. So this is Vanguard's Dividend Appreciation ETF. So you have beautiful growth, and not to mention you have tons of companies that pay a dividend and that are growing their dividend. So pretty much you're investing, I think they have around 75 holdings. So pretty much you buy a share, you own 75 different companies, partial shares. So it's a beautiful way to invest without picking and choosing each dividend stock. So this is one that I highly invest in, and I highly recommend for pretty much every type of investor, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall I hope you guys got something of value out of this video. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.